With setup and testing out of the way, it's time to install some cable. We put a lot of thought into designing the Gulfstream to be extremely simple to operate with user-friendly controls that you will have mastered in no time. Let's see it in action.
So now that we've done our crash test, it's time to get set up to do some fiber installation. So first thing I have here is our 1.1 millimeter fiber that we're going to be installing today into our 3.5 millimeter duct. And what I'm going to want to do is I want to take this end of the cable and route it through the back of the Gulfstream 150 here. So the next step is we want to get our cable seal for this size fiber. So I go to our cable seal kit. I'm going to grab our seal that we need for our 1.1 millimeter fiber. We'll take our cable seal and we'll slide it on the end of our fiber. All right, the next step is to get our 5 millimeter duct pack, and we're going to get that out of our duct pack kit here. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to take the duct seals that are included inside this 5 millimeter duct pack kit, and we're going to install them onto the 5 millimeter duct, just like that. All right, now we're going to want to get our 5 millimeter duct pack. So I grab our 5 millimeter duct pack here, and I take the bottom half, we slide it into our Gulfstream 150 air block, and position our cable seal just like so. All right, the next step is to take our end of the duct, and we're going to slide that over our fiber and position it into our duct pack. We're going to take our top half, cover it all, and secure it down within the air block of the Gulfstream 150. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to make sure our guard is closed down, and we're going to apply both air and power. We'll take our air hose here and secure it to the Gulfstream 150 air hose fitting, and then we'll take our battery pack, slide it into our battery pack clip. We'll take our power cord here, thread the one end into the battery pack clip, and the other end into the Gulfstream 150. Next thing we're going to want to do is recall our clamp force down setting and push force setting that we had established for this fiber and duct combination in our crash test. So I've got my clamp force down set, I've got my push force set, and we're ready to begin some installation. Now before I do, I want to clear out the distance meter on my display. So I come over to the display and I hold the select reset button for a few seconds and it'll say cleared. So we're going to start out slow, and we're going to install enough cable into the duct until our speed starts to drop. At that point, when our speed starts to slow down, then we'll add air as needed just to bring it back up to that same installation rate. Controlling air pressure during your fiber installation is very important. And if you're finding that the ball valve isn't giving you what you need, Condux offers this pressure regulator with higher resolution to offer better control of the addition of that air pressure. So turn our speed all the way down. We engage the tractor drive forward and gradually increase our speed. Now as our speed starts to slow down, we add just a bar or two of air as needed to pick that installation speed right back up. Okay, the speed has slowed down once again. I'm going to open up the air all the way to maximum. Now that we're at maximum, we'll just keep installing until the end of our run. All right, so we're at the end of our duct run. I'm going to slowly reduce our speed, disengage our tractor drive, shut off the air, and that's installation with the Gulfstream 150.
A quick note about lubricants. If you're wondering whether or not to use it in your installation, say you're working with multiple bends or a larger ID duct, or you're trying to achieve greater distances, that's the type of application you'd want to use lubricant for. Condux offers a wide range of silicone-based lubricants for your fiber blowing, but as always, consult your fiber or duct manufacturer for their recommendation on your specific application.